Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements, which are quite modest by today's standards. Then, install the game from your preferred digital storefront or a physical disk. Immediately after installation, apply the essential unofficial community patch to address many common issues and improve overall stability. This crucial first step sets the foundation for a smooth wasteland adventure. Next, let's tackle crucial stability fixes. You'll want to disable games for Windows Live, as it often causes crashes and performance issues on modern operating systems. Additionally, implement the Large Address Aware patch. This allows the game to access more than 2 GB of RAM, significantly reducing memory-related crashes. For even greater stability, consider installing a 4 GB patch, further optimizing memory usage and ensuring a smoother experience across the Capital Wasteland. Now, let's enhance your visual experience and performance. Begin by optimizing the in-game settings to find a perfect balance between stunning visuals and a smooth frame rate. For a significant graphical overhaul, explore and install high-resolution texture packs, which can make the Capital Wasteland look much more detailed. Finally, consider using an ENB or reshade preset to dramatically improve lighting, colors, and overall atmospheric effects, bringing new life to this classic title. Finally, let's talk gameplay and community. Master the V.A.T.S. combat system. It allows for strategic targeting and cinematic action, making every encounter unique. Take your time to explore the vast open world, discovering hidden locations and completing the many diverse quests available. Remember, Fallout 3 has an incredibly active modding community, offering thousands of additional quests, items, and visual enhancements to keep your adventures fresh for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.